A government snapshot shows farmers have now harvested about 58% of their winter wheat crop in Kansas. Southeast Kansas has cut 91% of its wheat, with the South Central Kansas now harvesting 74%. Central Kansas has cut 78%. Harvest in Northwest Kansas reached 13%. The National Agricultural Statistics Service said that the harvest this year is well ahead of both the 37% cut statewide at this time a year ago, as well as the 5-year average of 50% for this date.